Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I styled the wig for my Ciri cosplay. Now for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Lauren, also known as Twilight Phoenix, and I'm a lover of cosplay, music, and all things nerdy. So if those sound like things that you like too, please consider subscribing to my channel for new videos every Tuesday. And with that, let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm starting out with this long blonde lace front wig that I found on Amazon, and the very first thing I'm going to do is just comb through it and then brush it out so that it's nice and smooth. I'm pinning the lace onto my styrofoam wig head so that the wig stays in place. It would be even better if I had an actual stand for the styrofoam head, but I don't, so I'm just going to be holding it. Next, I'm sectioning off small sections of hair at the very front of the wig, which is going to be Ciri's bangs, and I'm just tying those off with a hair clip. Now I'm going around the wig and sectioning off a thin layer of hair from the bottom on the sides and the back, because Ciri does have hair that hangs down from her bun pretty much all over. Once the bottom layer is sectioned off, I'm just taking the remaining hair and putting it into a nice smooth ponytail. Now the ponytail is currently too long to put into the bun that I want, so I'm going to take just some regular scissors and cut off the last several inches of hair. This doesn't have to be precise because it's just going in a bun anyway. And I am saving the excess hair that I cut off just in case I want to use it later. Now you can use a hair donut, or in my case, I'm just using a rolled up sock to make a sock bun. And once the bun is in place, I'm just going around and pinning it around the edges and the sides to make it a little bit neater and stay a little bit closer to the rest of the hair. I did take some of that excess hair to wrap around the top of the bun just to hide some of those bobby pins. It also would have been better if I had used lighter bobby pins that matched the hair better, but I just used regular brown ones because that's what I had. Next, I just took down those bottom sections of hair and brushed them out again. Now I wanted to cut it to be just about shoulder length or a little bit shorter than that, but you have to be careful with wig heads because they're typically smaller than a normal head, so wherever you cut the hair it usually ends up looking shorter on a real person. So for that reason I cut it just what seemed to be a little bit longer than what would be shoulder length on this wig head. And after I did a rough cut, then I went back in and cut the hair in an upwards motion from the bottom, which just makes the ends look more natural. Next I cut the bangs. I want them to be about cheek length, but again I cut them a little bit longer just knowing that they might appear shorter once I actually put it on my head, so I cut it to about chin length on the wig. And then again, I made those upward cuts just to make the ends look more natural. Ciri's bangs have a little bit of a wave to them, so I took a small round brush and a steamer and used that to create some waviness in the bangs. worked on the bun some more. I actually made it a little bit messier to make it look a little bit more natural, and I just went around and did a better job of hiding all the bobby pins. After that, I just kept messing with the front sections and the rest of the hair to get them to look how I wanted. I also used a steamer and a brush to brush through the bottom layer of the hair and make it a little bit more straight. Once I was happy with it, I gave everything a spray with hairspray, and then I went in with some tiny scissors and I cut off that lace from the front of the wig. So once I was happy with it, I decided to go try it on and make any final adjustments. Once I tried the wig on, I did make some adjustments. I cut those bottom pieces of hair a little bit shorter. I also cut the bangs a little bit shorter, and I pinned a little bit more of that bottom layer back so that there's not quite as much hanging down. I also decided to pin back some of the bangs so that instead of hanging down right in front of my face, they have more of like a swooped back effect. So to do that, I just pinned them back under some of the hair that's already there, so that way you can't see the bobby pin or anything. And this just gives it a little bit more of a sort of loose style like Ciri has, but it's pinned back out of the face. And once that was done on both sides, the wig was finished. So that's it, that's the tutorial for Ciri's wig. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like down below and maybe consider subscribing to my channel or check out these other videos that you might like. Also, let me know in the comments what cosplay you would like to see next. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.